Good day and welcome to my tutorial video on how to change your desktop wallpaper within seconds. So right now, the following steps you need to change your desktop wallpaper within seconds are: once you're on your desktop background, right click using your mouse. Once you right click, click on personalize, then all the desktop and wallpaper theme will appear. You can choose anyone you want to choose. You can choose character, you can choose architecture, you can choose landscape. But on this tutorial video, we are going to use one similar one that is there, which is character. You double click on it, automatically the desktop wallpaper is activated. Right now you've seen it's been activated already. Then after that, you can still go back, select landscape and activate. Once you double click on it, it automatically activates by itself. Then you still check back in your background, you see automatically it has also changed my background. You refresh your page and everything, then you still go back there and change it to nature, whichever one you want to change it to. That's it. This is nature background wallpaper, and that's just how to change it. Within some seconds you've changed it already. So if you still want to make use of your picture, like you want to make use of any picture on your desktop, you can go to download. I want to make use of one here in my download. Just right click on it, you see set as desktop background. Just click on it. Once you click on it, automatically it changes to that theme, to that picture, sorry. So right now I've changed it using the picture on my desktop. If I refresh my website scene, you see that it has done. So right now you can still make use of any other picture set as desktop. I'm making use of this one right now. You look at it, it has changed. I'll refresh this thing. So right now, that's just how to make all these changes. You can still change it to anyone you like, whichever picture, your husband picture, your children's picture, your business picture, whichever one. So that's just the end of the tutorial for today, and we are changing it back to our thing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be receiving some updates on where we upload next video. Thank you.